It's Paul Colmeyer here, and today's video is about a day in the life of a student during quarantine, as you could tell by the title. We're gonna get right into it, but before we do, if you guys end up enjoying this video, then please leave a like, and if you really enjoy it, then subscribe for more content like this. Alright, let's get right into it. Hey guys, so just woke up. It's a little past 8 o'clock in the morning, and I usually wake up around this time just so that because if I sleep any longer, I wake up feeling lethargic and I don't really do anything productive throughout the day. So that's why I just like waking up at least at 8 o'clock, if not earlier. So the first thing I usually do in the morning is I handle all my hygiene, so I'm gonna go do that. Alright, so one hygiene routine later. Now I'm gonna go eat breakfast, and I'm gonna film that as a montage. Right, now that breakfast is all made, I got some eggs with bell pepper and onions, right? Then I got 2 sandwiches with mayo and cheese. And for my caffeine, I have a Monster energy drink. I usually get coffee, but my mom was nice enough to get me some Monster. And I like Monster, so like, why not? Time to dig in. Eating breakfast, my camera died, and while I got it to charge, 2 hours have elapsed. So now it's 11 o'clock, and since I ate breakfast, I finished my breakfast around 9:15, I would say, and then I had a online class for bio, and I did that, and then I just worked on editing the footage they shot for today's video, and that's all I really did so far. But right now I'm probably gonna study and like do classwork for the next 3 hours. I'm gonna use a technique that's called the Pomodoro technique. Actually, I'm gonna use a variation of it. But in essence, I'm gonna be working in 55-minute intervals, right? So I'm gonna work for 55 minutes straight, and then I'm gonna take a 5-minute break so that I can stay productive and energetic throughout the day. So I'm going to take a 5-minute break. Then I'm going to work for another 55 minutes. Then take another 5-minute break, and I'm going to do this 3 times for 3 hours. And I'll see how much work I can get done. And I should be done at 2 p.m. I just got done with working for about 3 hours, which was pretty intense. But now it's 2, and I'm probably gonna play some Xbox with my friends until around 4 o'clock, just relax for a little bit. So I'll play for like 2 hours, and then after that I'm gonna work again on my homework for like 3 hours. So that's the plan.
Oh my god. Oh my god. I killed my teammate. I killed my teammate. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
So I just finished playing Xbox, and now I'm gonna go help my little brother. I'm gonna go over his homework with him, make sure he got everything right. And once I'm done with that, I'm gonna work on my own homework. I'm gonna make sure that I finish all my homeworks and assignments for the day, and then I should be done with all of that by 7 o'clock, and at 7 o'clock I'm gonna work out. Hey guys, so right now it's 8:30 p.m. and I just got finished with doing homework for quite a while. I was initially planning on only doing homework till 7, and then working out for like an hour and then just relaxing. But because I had so much homework and classwork, I just worked straight through 8:30. And right now I'm gonna go handle all my hygiene, and then I'm gonna be in bed by 9, and I'm gonna read for around an hour. I like to end my day with reading just because it lets me calm down, it lets me learn something new, and it also allows me to just like get rid of blue light, and it helps me sleep better throughout the night. So yeah, and I usually fall asleep around 10 o'clock, and then I wake up, as you guys saw, 7 to 8 a.m. So that's really gonna be all for this video. I know nothing too crazy happened. Most of the time I was just studying, but like that's the average day for me as a student during quarantine. And if you guys enjoyed this video, then please smash that like button and subscribe for more content like this. But for today's episode, that'll be all. And if you guys enjoyed, again, smash the like button. Yeah, it's getting late and I'm getting repetitive. So good night to you guys.